Hey guys, my name is Freedom. How to rig any of your 3D models just in 1 minute. You can see this is a 3D model that you already created in Blender. And now, no skeletons, no bones. How to just perform the auto rigging to create the skeletons for this avatar just in 1 minute. So I'm going to show you all these step by step. You need to have another software that's called the Character Creator 5. That is a third-party software. First, you can just export from here. Export the FBX from the Blender. And as demo, I'm going to just export it on my desktop. The path mode, I will just choose the auto and just select here. So then I'm going to just name this as avatar01. Just export the FBX on my desktop. Okay, now I have the FBX file. The next step, just go to the CC5, the Character Creator 5. Just drag in the FBX file. So here you just press Ctrl A to just turn on the axis, drag in the FBX file, import as a prop, convert all, now you can see no material texture. You need to import first. So back to the Blender, then go to the UV editing. From here, you need to just select properly exactly the image texture. Click the image, save as. On the desktop, name this properly, save the image as. And also, you have another normal map, maybe just click image, save as. On the desktop, save. Alright, then back to the CC5, just re-import back. Click here. The base color, drag in to make sure you have the material texture. And then next is the normal. This one, we are going to check the normal map. So it doesn't matter because of this normal map, it doesn't contribute any of the bumps. But actually, you can just drag in. It doesn't matter. Just drag in. At least you have. Or if you delete it, there's no difference. But I will just put it. So next is the auto rigging parts. Click here. Click the AccuRig. So and here, just click create guides. Everything already look perfect. Just click generate skeleton. It will automatically generate the whole skeletons for this body. And finally, just click bind skin. Alright, now done. You can see the whole skeleton already done. It is quite easy done. Okay, then click the AccuRig again one more time to close it. So now you can just export it. Click File, Export, FBX again as the curved character. For this time, just choose Blender. We are going to move it back to the Blender. The FBX option, just choose Mesh and embed the texture. This is very important. Then click Export. Then I will just export it on my desktop, create a new folder, name this as avatar01 rig. Right, then just name this as avatar01. Okay, now it already exported for Blender that already rigged in CC5, the Character Creator 5. So now, from here, I'm going to just open Blender. and try to import back the avatar 01, and I'm going to show you it is ready for 3D animation. So click and just press A to select all and just delete. And now the avatar 01 rig, drag and drop at here, import the FBX. It will include the skeleton now. I just turn on the texture, click, and we are going to test the skeleton. Just go to pose mode and try. Okay, now it is ready for skeleton. It is ready for animation. I'm going to test the fingers as well, one of the fingers. Okay, I'm going to test the leg. Not this. One more. Okay. So now you can see everything just really look perfect. It already have the skeleton. That's the head. Not this. Okay. So now this 3D avatar is ready for animation. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to rig any of your 3D avatar in Blender just in minutes by using the CC5, the Character Creator 5, and just make your 3D model to become ready for animation. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings of the 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!